welcome back to my channel. My name's Celeste and I am standing in the bathroom that I just finished giving a much needed facelift to, and I did this for less than $6. So here on my channel, I love to do projects where we spend the least amount of money possible by reusing materials we already have, by reusing decorations and putting them in a new space, bringing them back to life and giving them a new purpose. So I hope that you watch this video, enjoy this video, and if you feel inspired or motivated to redo your bathroom, please leave it down in the comments below. So just keep watching to see how I transform this for $6. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's the bathroom I'm going to be giving a little facelift to. This is our guest bathroom. It really does not get used very often, but it is the only bath in the house that has a tub. So I do want to make it more of a relaxing spa environment. I plan on just painting the walls, maybe adding a few shelves. There's the shower, and just painting the bathroom cabinet over here. And I'm gonna do it on a very tight budget since I can't really go out and get any supplies. So I'm just kind of gonna use what I have on hand. So stay tuned if you wanna see how this all turns out.
In these cabinets, I use the Valspar Chalk Paint in the color Woolen Stockings, as well as their sealing wax. I did a full video on how I refinished these cabinets, and I'll link that down below. I'm out here, I'm about to paint the shelf that I had mentioned before that I was going to install in my bathroom that I'm working on. The really cool thing about this shelf is that the previous owner just left it here, so it was completely free. So might as well throw some paint on it and use it, because like I said, this guest bathroom doesn't really get used that often, but I think just having a nice shelf in there with some plants and some, I don't know, a candle or something and a really cute sign, it'll just give it a little extra pizzazz, and it's free. So plus sometimes shelves can be minimum $20, so it'll just sit on the wall like that, and then this will be the top. So like the bathroom, in the bathroom cabinets I already had the paint. This is the Rust-Oleum chalked paint. I think this one you get at Home Depot, and the Valspar that I did for the cabinets you get at Lowe's. So I think this is Home Depot's brand, but anyways, it's the Rust-Oleum chalked. It's in the color linen white, and then I have my paintbrush. So it's just a really simple project. Go ahead, and before I started painting, I did clean this off. It was a little dirty. I just cleaned it with a wet paper towel and a wet paper towel, that's it. And then I just let it dry out here in the sun. And now we're just gonna make it beautiful. I like to use what I have on hand because I hate spending money, especially when I have something else that can do the job as a shelf. Like I really like those dark stain floating wood shelves, and I want to make this bathroom as light and bright and happy as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and the bathroom is coming along. I'll show you guys the finished product when we're done.
So I absolutely love the way this bathroom turned out, and the best part about it is I got it all done for under $6. So I just kind of want to go over what we did in here, and I'll link all the products down below that I used. So first things first, you saw me doing it in the video. I did paint the walls in here. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of this paint color. This was leftover paint from when we moved into the house that I used in our master bedroom and our master bathroom. So this paint is specifically for bathrooms and the moisture that's collected in bathrooms, but it's also good for bedrooms as well. I'll try to see if I can find it, but I'm not sure. Second, we just had some towels in that we already had, and I just brought them up here just to lighten it up a little bit in here. This is the shelf that you guys saw me paint left from the previous owner, so this was absolutely free. We had this sign in our master bedroom. Another little trick that I have is this is just an old grape jelly jar that we took off the label and cleaned, and now I have my little miniature bath bombs in there. So this was free. Let's see. I also brought this Grace and Gratitude bucket. This was on our mantle, as well as the greenery that we have over here in the mug. That was actually just some stuff from our wedding that I was able to reuse. The cabinets I did a separate video on, and I will link that down below, but I used the Valspar Chalk Paint for these in the color Woolen Stockings, as well as the Valspar Sealing Wax. We already had these bathroom mats, so we just brought these upstairs and put them in here. And we already had this white shower curtain. I just wanted it to be clean and simple. Here's where I spent the money, believe it or not. It was $5 plus tax for these really cute shower curtain hooks. This trash can we already had, but this was only $1 from the dollar store when I did purchase it originally. So that's a really good idea if you're needing bathrooms for guest bedrooms or guest bathrooms that don't really get used that often. This was a hack that I came up with, and I'm really proud of myself. This was an old paper towel holder that we are no longer using, and I was able to fit 3 toilet paper rolls on here, and I think this is a great solution if you have a small bathroom and you just want something that is tiny and not going to take up too much space but also looks clean. So that's basically it. The only thing that I will probably end up spending money on, but I haven't decided yet, is going to be the towel holder on the wall over here. But I'm looking, if I do purchase one, it won't be any more than $15. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you decide to make over your bathroom, just leave it down in the comments below. Bye-bye.